In this video, we will look at the structure of an HTML document and examine some of the elements that makes a valid web page. We will continue from the example that we used in the last lecture. At the very top of the page, we have the document type declaration, and this is declared to be HTML. It is important that our document starts with a document type declaration in order for the web browsers to know the type of document that we are working with. The next line here is the opening tag for the HTML itself. So this actually defines the beginning of the document. And the last line here, line 13, defines the closing of this document. So we have the opening HTML tag and we have the closing HTML tag. This defines the beginning of the document and this defines the ending or the closing of this document. And within the HTML tag, we have the language attribute here, and this is defined to be English. Specifying the language attribute here is important for search engine optimization and also for accessibility applications. Next, we have the opening HTML head tag in line 3, and then we have the closing HTML head tag in line 6. In between these opening and closing head tag, we have the title of the document, and also we have the character encoding set to UTF-8. So basically the head tags allows us to specify the title of a document and also to include links to other external documents that will be important to our web page. We're going to see more about this in the subsequent lectures. In line 7, we have the body tag. Basically, the body tag defines the document content itself. So whatever it's being defined within the opening body tag here and the closing body tag here is what will be displayed in the web page. So if we go over again to our web page, just snap my screen into two, and you can see that we just have the document heading and my document paragraph displayed here in the page. This is because this is the content that we have within the body tag. In order for our HTML document to be valid, we need to comply with this basic structure and follow it the way it is defined here. However, if we were to remove all the content here, so when I save this and the page refreshes, you see that we can still see here my document, but this is not a valid HTML document. When we view the source of this document, you see that it just shows us my document. But if I paste again the content here and save this, and then we view the source of this document, then we can see that this is a valid HTML document, beginning with the document declaration, the opening HTML tag and the language attribute, the head part, the body, and also the closing HTML tag. This is basically the structure of an HTML document.